Being the machine shop supervisor, I pride myself on building a team that is knowledgeable, is functionable, and can get the job done. And DN Solutions is just right there along with us.
Versa-Fab was started in 1989 by my dad, Jim Cullen. It started as a small machine shop and it slowly evolved into a machining, fabrication and finishing business, and today we also offer engineering services. So Versa-Fab partnered with DN back in 2011. We started with a Puma turning center.
Basically because it outperformed all of the other machine builders' product. The other machine builder wasn't keeping up. About 6 months later, we went ahead and purchased our first DN 500. It outran, outproduced, and took larger depths of cuts, harder, faster, stronger than anything the other machine builder could offer.
Every piece has elevated our productivity levels in the shop. Our employees are incredibly comfortable with the equipment. There's an ease of use. From an ownership perspective, DN Solutions offers a value proposition that's hard to beat.
The depth of cut on our 3-inch face mills went from about 60 thousandths to about 340 thousandths. And we were able to hog off as much material as possible in as little time. So it increased efficiency and productivity through and through.
Oh, our guys in the shop are absolutely fantastic. At Versa-Fab, we believe in hiring quality people first. For a good quality product, we need to rely on our employees to deliver. We believe in empowering our employees every day with the resources they need to do their job. We offer scholarships for the kids to go back to school, and the results have been fantastic over the years.
Being as that they are DN Solutions, my team is able to get the job done with no complaints. The machining centers, they practically run themselves. They keep running non-stop, day after day. The guys utilize them to the best of their abilities and even push them far past beyond their capabilities.
The service has been terrific over the years. We've got 10 pieces of DN equipment on our shop floor. The equipment is robust and been a terrific partnership since day one.
All of our DN Solutions machines are very reliable. We don't have to call on a service tech. All issues that are on the machining center can be handled right at the machining center on the floor. Dan at Allegheny Machine Tool Systems is always one phone call away. Any problem I have, I can just pick up my phone, give him a call. Personal or business phone alike, no matter what, Dan always picks up.
It's a reliable product, so we can depend on our people, we can depend on our equipment. My name is Jim Cullen. I'm the president of Versa-Fab, and we are a DN house.
My name is Nathan Wetzel. I am the machine shop supervisor here at Versa-Fab, and we are a DN house.